Hi guys, today I'm working on this robot vacuum from the Eufy brand. It actually stopped working for me, so if I press any buttons here, nothing is happening. I'm assuming the battery is dead and I need to replace the battery. So on the back side here, this is the on-off button. So it was in the off position now and I turn it on. I press the button here and nothing is happening, so I push it onto the base and we can see the lights flashing, and now it's steady orange and now it's just red. So it's not flashing, it's just like steady red. So in this case it's most probably the battery that need to be replaced, because this unit is about 4 years old. We can check here on the back side. It tells us what the indicators mean and what the solid red light is, but in our case it says 1 beep, 2 beep, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, but in our case it didn't beep at all. It was just red. So yeah, that's why I'm assuming it's the battery. And I've already ordered the battery because I noticed this problem a few days ago. So we're just going to replace it. The battery goes in here. This is the compartment. So I have to remove these 2 screws. Let me switch it off here. Okay, so this is the battery. You just pull it out simply, and then we have here, this part here needs to be pushed down. Just need to push it down from here and the battery comes out. Simple and easy. Here's the replacement battery I've ordered. Okay, so this one has 3000 milliamps. The one I removed is 2600 milliamps. So this one should last a bit longer, hopefully. And we just plug it in. It's the same. You have to make sure before you buy the battery it's the same connection. And all you have to do is just replace the battery the way I did it. Put the screws back on. And while we're at it, when I bought the vacuum, it came with a replacement set of brushes and a new filter. So I'm quickly replacing that as well. Okay, and the filter goes in here. This is the new filter. Okay, now we turn it back on. Okay, with the remote We send it to the base station. Yeah, now it's indicating that it's charging, and the red light is gone. It's not red anymore. So yeah, in this case it was the battery that needed to be replaced. After it's fully charged, then I will just run the hoover and see if it's working fine now. Okay, it's the second day now. The vacuum seems to be fully charged. I'm gonna play it or start it. Yeah, works perfectly fine. It was just the battery that needed to be replaced. Yeah, it's working again. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video.